Hi and welcome again to Tech It Out. It's a bright and sunny spring day, and today we're going to be adding another item to the Is It Crap series. And as it's such a nice day, washing the car may be something that you're considering. So we're going to be looking at this. This is the Streetwize Portable Power Washer with an 8 litre capacity. Now this has no wires, it doesn't plug in, it's not powered by any motors. It's more like a weed pump container that you'd use for the garden. You pump it up and pressurize it, and then you can use it as a pressure washer, so they say. Now I'm not expecting great things of this, to be completely honest, and I didn't actually buy it expecting great things. As you know, if you've watched my videos in the past, I tend to repurpose things and use them for slightly different purposes than they were originally meant, and that's what I intend to do with this, but more of that later. This comes with an extra long lance, it says, and a brush as well. It comes with the main unit, the container with the pump head, and it does have an overpressure valve on it, so you can't overpressure it. If I just turn it round, they suggest you to use it for washing your car, your windows, caravan, boats, bikes and so on. And again, same on that side, and then this side you've got a few extra instructions and so on about the unit itself. So let's get it open and see what's inside. So we have the obligatory instructions, which of course go off to the drawer of obscurity as ever. Okay then, so we have the main unit itself, which is surprisingly big. The main hose, the trigger handle, the extension lance, and the soft bristled brush. Also we have some connections. I don't know, well, you can actually see this in this light. Maybe it's not the best light for filming in. But there are a couple of connections in there, and a few O-rings as well. So let's go try this out. All the birds making their springtime noises in the background. Now to fill this, all you have to do is twist the handle at the top, pull out the plunger, and then you can fill it with water either from a hose pipe or a bucket or whatever means you have available. Now it is quite hard to see the markings on the side here where the water level is. You can just about see it. Next then is you put the plunger back in and screw it down tight. A little turn back to release it, and once it's in, there are two little clips there that you have to press in. I don't know if you can see them. That releases the handle, and it says a maximum of 25 pumps. And once you do the final pump, just a little twist to hold it in place. So let's see how this works then. I've attached the little extension and the head. Quite a bit of pressure. Wouldn't say exactly jet wash pressure, but let's adjust the head. It says it is adjustable. I'll have to put the camera down to do this, I think. So with a little bit of adjusted, you can see you got a slightly different stream now. 4 little jets. Not exactly powerful. I wouldn't really consider this maybe for biking down a bike, but not for cars. But this, as I said, is not what I meant it for anyway. So what I'm going to do now is just release the pressure, and then I'm going to add the car shampoo into this hot water. So now I can have a hot shampoo before I actually wash the car off. So now it's up to full pressure again. Let's see if we can actually shampoo the car with some hot shampoo. Take a little while to come through, I would imagine. And here it comes. Now, of course, if you use something like snow foam, you'd get a much more foam. But this is doing quite well. Quite a long piece of tube to feed it, so you don't have to keep picking it up. Although it does have a strap on it, so you can put it over your shoulders. Let's see how long this is lasting for. It's doing well so far. Dirty wheels. So yes, my thought was to use this as a hot shampoo and then to jet off with a normal jet washer. That way you don't get swirl marks. So I've done about a quarter of the car, and it's still going. Starting to lose pressure now, I think. So I'm going to have to pump it up again and actually move it around a bit. And yes, I'm quite happy with that. One of the handy little things with this as well is the trigger that makes it spray. If you press it forward, it actually clicks and locks into place. So that's very useful. As you can see, I've gone all around the car and there's still some pressure left. So I'm very happy with that. So now that's done, then it only remains to get the actual proper pressure washer out and to rinse it off. And that's it. I think it's done quite well, actually. It didn't actually do much as a pressure washer itself, but applying the hot suds from the shampoo with a little bit of pressure behind it actually helped it to dig into the dirt and lift the dirt off. And it's taken all the mud I can see on the car that was there, especially on the lower half, is all now gone. And it's looking quite nice. And it's only leaves me to just dry it off now. So is it crap then? Well, as a jet washer in itself, maybe so. Maybe for people who have caravans, or for maybe washing off a bike after a ride out, might be of use. As a jet washer for anything heavier, heavy duty, not really. But as a hot shampoo foam applier, it's absolutely brilliant. I can't fault it at all. It's done a really, really good job, and it was really, really easy to use. So there we go, the Streetwize Portable Pressure Washer. Thanks for watching.